Well guys, it's been 2 months since we hit the road in our RV. And it is about time. We've been sheltering in place for a while now, and we want to go get back out there and exploring. Off to Kentucky. All right guys, we are officially on the road heading to Kentucky. Hey Deanna, what state are we about to enter into?
Ohio.
Ohio. So we're actually back in Indiana right now. It kind of surprised us. We didn't know we were headed back in Indiana. Now we're heading to Kentucky. Hey guys, it's been a while since we've been in an adventure in a new state. But where are we going to today, Deanna?
Cove Spring Park in Frankfort, Kentucky.
And we're going to see some waterfalls.
You have arrived.
Thank you. GoPro's too slow as usual. Made it to Cove Spring Natural Preserve, city of Frankfort. I don't know which way I need to go.
Park closed.
Oh, well, that kind of ruins that idea. So, yeah. Apparently half of this park is closed, I'm assuming due to COVID-19 or whatever reason they have. But there is a trail off this way that we're hoping to check out. So, we'll see how good this is. This might not be a super exciting video. We'll see what we can bring you here. So we are in northern Kentucky. And there are some hills in northern Kentucky, believe it or not. Overlook Trail, sweet. Might have something to look at after all. Seems to be a nice paved trail. A little bit of road noise, but we'll see if we veer away from the road or not. So I'm wearing glasses today. I think I either scratched my left eye or either my final pair of contacts are not fitting properly, so you might see me in glasses in the next couple videos until I get some new contacts in. Yep. A little overgrown, but it's an overlook if you kind of look through the hole. Be pretty cool if this brush was cleared off. No idea if there are more overlooks or if that is the overlook. But the trail keeps on going, so we're going to keep on taking this trail. Otherwise it would have been like a quarter-mile hike. Does that constitute a waterfall? There's some water dripping off the side of the rock face. Not the waterfalls we're hoping to see today though.
Someone whined when we stopped. I think he wants to keep going.
Yep, he doesn't like stopping. Well, I wouldn't really call this an overlook, but technically it overlooks the road. It's a nice road, I've got to give it that. All right, time to go figure out something else to do. Well guys, so far it's been kind of a misadventure. This wasn't quite the trail we wanted to do. There are actually some pretty cool waterfalls at this Cove Spring Park. It's just a city or county park in Frankfort, Kentucky, but it is completely closed off to the public right now, unless we ran through the gate, which I'm not that dedicated. Are you that dedicated?
No.
We're not that dedicated, so.
Trespassing.
Yeah, rules, right? I might hop on my phone and see if I can find something else to look at in this area. Or I might just go grocery shopping. We need food, so we'll see where the day takes us. So what was your favorite part about this park?
I don't know.
That's her being nice.
I was looking forward to waterfalls, so it's a little disappointing, but I mean, this is still a nice trail. It's good for hot days when you don't want too much sun. It's very well shaded with trees, so it's just a good place to get out and stretch your legs.
So we made it to Fort Hill something or other here in Frankfort. The road is very narrow, so hopefully we don't have to back all the way out of here once other people come in. Since we're literally taking up the entire road right now. Looks like there's a couple places to pull over to the side at least. Maybe that's just a loop around. I don't know. Remembering the soldiers of the War of 1812 on both sides. No less than 64% of American casualties in that war were Kentuckians. Large numbers of Kentuckians served as regulars, volunteers, and militiamen. Beneath the soil in front of you lie the skeletal remains of about 250 people. They were buried originally in a cemetery below the south face of Fort Hill near downtown Frankfort. So we are in this parking lot and looks like we can take a small loop or a larger loop around here if we wanted to. There's different points of interest along the way. We'll start with the short loop, see how Blaze is doing, and we'll go a little bit further if we want to. A very overgrown area here. Another paved path as well. Remember what point 15 was? No, there's not even a 15 on here. Don't know what that is. Bird blind so we can watch the birds over there. We got ourselves a river overlook here. It's kind of washed out. Maybe if I go out here, you'll be able to see it better. It's pretty minus the factories in the background. Beautiful day today. We decided to take the shorter loop. Might as well go over to the cave though, right? See what that's all about. Can't see it well from over here, but the sinkhole's right over there. Hopefully we don't fall in one today, right? The cave goes this way. Going trail that way, Miller Trail that way. We're gonna check out the cave real quick. Bless you. So apparently there's a cave down there. And it doesn't look easily accessible. There's a grate covering it. So, you want to crawl down there?
I think I'll pass.
And never get out. Alrighty. Well, I think it's time to head back to the truck.
Alright.
If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DNSadventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on.
hey Blaze, should we adventure on? I want some water, I want to go to sleep. Okay.